Hello everyone, Dr. Lenz here to show you how to edit someone's post in Discussion Board. This is very handy for peer review. So I'm going to use Dan's post here because he's a good sport. All right, so look for these three dots on someone's post and click on it. And then you get all of these options. Hit edit and it comes right in and you can make some notes and edits. And it's really helpful to be able to use a lot of these tools up here: bold, italics, underline, different colors for the font, or you can highlight things like that. So I'll make a note here. Dan, this is section 150, and I will highlight it to let him know that I did something. Highlighting is just background color. Pick whatever color you want. Boom, there it is. So we can take a look at maybe something. There we go. German should be capitalized. And we can do something to let Dan know that I did something to change it. Maybe put it in bold or underline. There it is. All right, and that's a lot of the basic features. When I'm looking at student work in the discussion board, I often will go down to the very bottom and put some stuff maybe in italics. Control I is the keyboard shortcut, or you can click on that right up there. Put something like instructor's note, blah, blah, blah. And he knows I put something there. And when you are all done, just hit done. So there you have it, folks. That is how to go in and edit someone's post.